Alright, setting automatic reply on WhatsApp has to start with you downloading and setting up WhatsApp Business because this only works on WhatsApp Business. So let's start with that. I will tap on my App Store. If you use Play Store, tap on your Play Store app for Android users, okay? Tap inside the search and type WhatsApp Business, okay? Alright, search. Okay, you can see WhatsApp business there. So I will tap on Get. Alright, the WhatsApp business is done installing on my iPhone, so I'll tap on open. Okay, I dropped some setup steps for us to get here. So once you are done setting up the business account, all your contacts and the messages will be synced into this business plan, alright, the business account. Then the next step you need to take is to tap on the settings, which is at the bottom right. On tapping on settings, you will see something about your account. Tap on business tools. On this page, you can see organize your chat section. Tap on greeting message. Now you can see send greeting message is toggled off, meaning that it's not enabled. So tap on that button for it to be turned on. Alright, so recipients will be everyone that sends message to you, and this is the message. It say thank you for contacting Godwin Tech Biz. Please let us know how we can help you. So if you like the message, you leave it the way it is. If you want to change it, tap on that message area and clean it and customize it. Clean the text and customize it the way you want it. So after changing the text, mine reads, thank you for contacting Godwin Tech Biz. What do you want, please? Alright, so customize it the way you want to customize it and tap on save button, which is at the top right. Alright, you can go back. And with this, you have set auto reply on WhatsApp.